Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to enter and exit safe mode on a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, make sure your phone is turned off. To do this, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the power menu appears. From there, turn off your phone. Now, to enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until your phone starts turning on. You will usually feel a short vibration to indicate that the phone is powering on, then release the power button. As soon as the Realme logo or Realme UI appears, press and hold the volume down button. You may feel another short vibration to indicate that the phone will boot into safe mode. After that, you can release the button. It is also fine if you keep holding it until the phone fully boots. Your phone will now start in safe mode. You will see safe mode displayed at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can use your phone in safe mode. To exit safe mode, you simply need to restart your phone. Press the power button and the volume up button for a short moment until the power menu appears. From there, slide to restart to reboot your phone. Your Realme phone will restart, and once it turns back on, safe mode will disappear from the bottom of the screen. And that's it. That's how you enter and exit safe mode on a Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.